Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a delicious easy flan. The first thing we're going to need is sweetened condensed milk, and this is the 14-ounce can. Next we're going to also need the evaporated milk, and this is a 12 fluid ounce can. We're going to use 4 eggs and a little bit of vanilla extract. The fifth, we will also need half a cup of sugar, and this will be to make the caramel sauce. But the first thing we're going to do is pour our evaporated milk in the blender. Make sure you get all of it. What we're going to do is add the sweetened condensed milk. Again, we're going to make sure we are getting everything in there. Next, we're just going to add a little tiny bit of the vanilla extract. Just a little splash of it. I'd say that's not even a tablespoon, but just a little bit. And then we're gonna add our 4 eggs. And that's it for the ingredients in your flan. Now we're just gonna put this in the blender and just mix it. So in my small pan, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on low heat. You guys could do medium low in a little bit, but just for now, so it could heat up a little, do it in low. And I'm gonna add half a cup of sugar. And for this, you guys have to make sure you guys are stirring it occasionally, because it will stick or your sugar will burn. So you guys just have to keep stirring this until you guys get caramel sauce. While this is getting ready to become caramel, we can go ahead and preheat our oven to 250 degrees. Here I have a 15-inch pan, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my caramel sauce in here, and you kind of have to do this quick because it will get cold and then it won't spread. If it doesn't spread, it's fine, because in the oven it will equally spread. So mine got cold, therefore it's not gonna spread anymore, but that's fine, because once it's in the oven, it's just gonna equally spread. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour in the liquid. And I'm placing this over a baking sheet just in case it spills. Sometimes it does happen. So yeah. Want to make sure you're putting something under it so it won't spill. Then we're gonna use some aluminum foil to cover this up. And we will be placing this in the oven for 1 hour at 250 degrees. This cool down for about 2 hours, and then once it's really cool, we're gonna put that in the fridge. I usually do it overnight. If you guys do it early, then you guys can leave it for another 2 to 3 hours until it's nice and cool. Now with a butter knife, we're just gonna run this through the sides to make sure it comes off easily when we flip it. You're just gonna do it all the way around. Once you've gone all the way around, you're gonna want to take a tray or a bigger plate and you're gonna flip it on there. So just put this over the flan. Make sure you grab it good or else it's gonna spill. And then you just flip it and it's gonna slide right off. And then you just pour all the extra caramel sauce on there. I usually do because it is delicious. And that's it for your flan.